Race and games, our next chapter for quantitative aptitude. Let's first go through some concepts like start. What is start? Suppose A and B are two contestants in a race. If before the start of the race, A is at the starting point and B is ahead by 12 meters, then we say that A gives B a start of 12 meters. In this case, to cover a race of 100 meters, A will have to cover 100 meters while B will have to cover only 100 minus 12, that is equal to 88 meters. Or in other words, in a 100 meter race, A can give B 12 meters, or A can give B a start of 12 meters, or A can beat B by 12 meters. Means that while A runs 100 meters, B runs 100 minus 12, that is equal to 88 meters. Then let's know what is a dead heat race. If all the persons contesting a race reach the goal exactly at the same time, the race is said to be dead heat race. Then we'll know about games. A game of 100 means that the person among the contestants will score 100 points first is the winner. If A scores 100 points while B scores 80 points, then we say that A can give B 20 points. Now after these concepts, now let's go to some real problems. Question 1. In a 100 meter race, A give B 10 meter and C 28 meter. In the same race, B can give C. The options are 18 meter, 20 meter, 27 meter or 9 meter. The right answer is option B, 20 meters. Let's see how. Now as A can give B 10 meters, so if A equals to 100 meters, then B will be 100 minus 10, that is equal to 90 meters. So A is to B will be 100 is to 90. Similarly, as A can give C 28 meters, so A is to C will be 100 is to 72 meters. Hence we can say B is to C will be B by A into A by C. We are just applying the chain rule, because A in denominator and numerator can cancel itself. So that implies B by A equals to 90 by 100 and A by C equals to 100 by 72. That is equal to 90 by 72. So when B can run 90 meters, C runs 72 meters. So when B runs 100 meters, C can run 72 by 90 into 100, that is equal to 80 meters. So B can give C 20 meters. Next question. A and B take part in 100 meter race. A runs at 5 kilometers per hour. A gives B a start of 8 meters and still beats him by 8 seconds. The speed of B is, the options are 5.15 km per hour, 4.14 km per hour, 4.25 km per hour or 4.4 km per hour. The right answer is option B, 4.14 km per hour. Let's see how. Here first, let's convert A speed from kilometers per hour to meters per second. That is equal to 25 by 18 meters per second. So now, time taken by A to cover 100 meters will be distance by speed. That is equal to 100 into 18 by 25 equals to 72 seconds. And before going ahead, let's understand one thing. As A gives B a start of 8 meters, so the race for B is not 100 meters, it's about 92 meters. And after giving a start of 8 meters, still A can beat B by 8 seconds. So time taken by B to cover 92 meters will be 72 plus 8, that is equal to 80 seconds. So B's speed will be distance by time, that is equal to 92 by 80 seconds equals to 4.14 kilometers per hour. We have converted meter per second to kilometers per hour. Next question. In a 500 meter race, the ratio of speeds of two contestants A and B is 3:4. A has a start of 140 meters. Then A wins by, the options are 60 meters, 40 meters, 20 meters or 10 meters. The right option is option C, 20 meters. Let's see how. Now as given in the question that A has a start of 140 meters, so to reach the winning post, A will have to cover a distance of 500 minus 140 meters, that is equal to 360 meters only. Now the given ratio between A and B is 3:4. So while A covers 3 meters, B covers 4 meters. And while A covers 360 meters, B will cover 4 by 3 into 360, that is equal to 480 meters. Thus, when A reaches the winning post, B covers 480 meters and therefore remains 20 meters behind. So A wins by 20 meters. Next question. In a 100-meter race, A beat B by 10 meters and C by 13 meters. In a race of 180 meters, B will beat C by, the options are 5.4 meters, 4.5 meters, 5 meters or 6 meters. The right option is option D, 6 meters. Let's see how. Now as A beats B by 10 meters, so A is to B will be 100 is to 90. And similarly as A beats C by 13 meters, so A is to C will be 100 is to 87. Now as we are required to find B is to C, so let's take B by C equals to B by A into A by C, applying the chain rule. Now we know what is B by A and A by C, so let's just put the values, that is 90 by 100 into 100 by 87. That is equal to 30 by 29. So when B runs 30 meters, C runs 29 meters. And when B runs 180 meters, C will run 29 by 30 into 180, that is equal to 174 meters. So B can beat C by 180 minus 174, that is equal to 6 meters. Next question. At a game of billiards, A can give B 15 points in 60 and A can give C to 20 points in 60. How many points can B give C in a game of 90? The options are 30 points, 20 points, 10 points or 12 points. The right option is option C, 10 points. Let's see how. Now as A can give B 15 points in 60, so A is to B will be 60 is to 60 minus 15, that is equal to 60 is to 45. And similarly A is to C will be 60 is to 40 because A can give C 20 points. Then applying the chain rule, B by C will be B by A into A by C, that is equal to 45 by 60 into 60 by 40. That is equal to 45 by 40 or 90 by 80 or 90 is to 80. So as B is to C is 90 is to 80, so B can give C 10 points in a game of 90.